You looking to earn $1,000 every month? I have 11 best passive income ideas for students like you. Number 1. Become a content creator. Listen, content creation is one of the biggest opportunities that one can grab because content creation is the future. Personally, I think, and you know what? The rise in internet users created massive opportunity for a student or for anyone who can provide value or showcase their talent to the world just sitting at their home with the help of mobile or laptop. You can say that if one can use the internet in the right way, it can create a huge business empire on the internet. Seriously, I am not kidding. There are lots of examples of many people who are making tons of millions of dollars every month, whether you talk about blogging or YouTube or becoming social media influencer or anything. But listen, content creation is somewhat like a business, so you need to put your soul into it because initially it might take some years to make your first dollar, but once you make that, you will hardly take any time to make your next $100 or $1,000. But it requires patience and consistency with proper discipline to earn money in the internet world. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Basically, in affiliate marketing, you are the middle person, means you promote the company's product to the right audience who are searching for it, and in return, you get paid commission for that. It is very easy to start. You can join any genuine affiliate program. Number 3, become a tutor. Are you a studious kid or a person who loves reading day and night? Here you can go with becoming a tutor. Seriously, you can get paid every hour for your teaching skills. It totally depends on you. Number 4, publish a book or ebook. Do you have a good amount of knowledge in a particular topic? If you have, then you can go with writing a book. Or if you don't want to take those expense of the publisher and all that, then you can write an ebook, which is a very easy and quick process because ebook, it is basically digital form. You don't need to get the headache of publisher or extra and all those. Number 5, investing. Lots of guys get pocket money and what they do, they get some pizza burger and spend, that's all. But you don't know that if you put that amount of money in particular stock or business, basically investing money properly by doing proper research, you can create a huge amount of wealth. So let's say if you invest 500 rupees every month, then also you can create a good amount of money in couple of years. I know that that amount will be not so big in a few years that you can get a house for you, but yeah, at least that will be some decent amount you can get your college fees done. If you do it for a longer period of time, then definitely sure you can buy a one house also. Number 6, dropshipping. Dropshipping can be one of the best money making ideas for students, but it requires a decent amount of capital. So this might be not for everyone, but yeah, if you have good amount of money, you can start a dropshipping business. See to it that here you know how to place ads properly, whether you run ads from Facebook, Instagram or any other platform. The thing is that you should know how to run a campaign, otherwise you may wipe out your account. However, you can't deny that dropshipping has a good potential to make money as a side income. Number 7, video editing. Are you a video editing lover? Due to the rise in consumption of video editing around the world, you can make a handsome amount of money as a video editor. Master software such as Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, etc. so that you put yourself on top in front of the recruiter. Video editing is a very demanding skill that anyone can learn in a few months and master in a few years. You can get paid a good amount of money for your editing skill. Now it's up to you how much good editing you can put. Number 8, social media manager. You know there are lots of people who have been actively involved in social media, whether it is a small or big company, who are working, but for some reason they are not able to manage their social media. So you can become social media manager so that you can help them and in return you can get paid. Number 9, sell stock photos or videos. Are you a photographer who loves capturing photos day and night? So here you have to sell stock photos and or videos and you can get paid whenever the customer or other person uses your stock photos or videos. Number 10, selling a course. If you have a good amount of knowledge, you can make that knowledge in a form of course and can sell out to the people who are looking for it. Number 11 and the last, freelancer. If you think that you have some skills, let's say you are a graphic designer, you are good at graphic designing or editing or anything else, but you don't want to work in the office. So here you have the chance to make money as a freelancer. You want to work, you can work on a laptop and you can enjoy the rest of your life.